Hey, I'm back. Now, today we are going to do an RC that's a little dense. It's going to talk about belief systems. So, something to do with philosophy. Yes, you guessed it right. But the questions are very good. Even the passage is not scary exactly. I'll show you how to handle it. Start karte hain. So, handle your RC smartly. The gospel is there. Main idea, mapping the passage, knowing what type of questions there are, and then elimination techniques, ये सारी चीजें आपको पहले से पता है. I mean, if you're a new learner here, start working on these things as your primary areas of focus. Once you put these things in place, your RC answers will automatically fall in place. Okay. So, okay, it is this alternative belief systems. Alternative. पहले तो ना, you should know the difference between alternative and alternate. ऐसे जोर शोर में बोलने में ना confusion हो ही जाता है इन दोनों में. I understand. Alternative. You need to find an alternative. Even I used to get very confused between these two. Then I started reminding myself of sentences. अभी जैसे मैंने आपको बोला ना, you need to find an alternate option. No, you need to find an alternative. Alternative, something in place of something. So you need to find an alternative option. No, you need to find an alternative. Alternative is your noun. तो ये sentence याद कर लो, ठीक है? You need to find an alternative. Go find an alternative. I don't have any alternative for this. Okay. दूसरा है alternate rows. एक छोड़ एक, एक छोड़ एक. Okay. So ये दोनों clear हो गए? Okay. Belief systems क्या है? India is a diverse country. We have various groups and cultures and parts of the society, and they all have their own belief systems. It can be political, cultural, social, कुछ भी religious. सबसे बड़ा तो religious वाला होता है. So क्या है ये belief system का and alternative क्या है? अभी किससे connected है? Main idea सब देखेंगे. As I said, this is connected to psychology and overlaps with philosophy. ठीक है? Easy to moderate है. चलिए. आपका ये है passage. So 4 paragraphs. The third para looks a little big to me, but doesn't matter. अभी मैं आपको बताती हूँ handle कैसे करना. So many alternative belief systems. Okay, alternative belief systems. Alternative belief systems. And okay, something, here. Policy makers. Okay, we understand alternative beliefs. Okay. So the hero of the passage is alternative belief systems. At the first glance, this should be clear. है क्या? मुद्दा क्या है? Angle अभी आएगा. Main idea अभी पता चलेगा. After doing this one glance thing, I go over to my questions quickly. Not the options. I just need to check the question types. Remember gospel में मैंने आपको points जो दिए थे उसमें बोला question types, pinning the question types. Pinning means thumb pin लेके लगाना नहीं है. Pinning means kind of understanding it clearly in your mind. Ascertaining कौन सा question क्या पूछ रहा है. Done. Which one of the following keyword sequences best captures the main concerns of the passage? This is a main idea question. CAT gives this very frequently. Main idea question can be in the form of this, 4 words. Every option has 4 words or phrases. Okay, they are connected. They show you the flow. So it can be like this, or it can be in the form of long sentences. You have to practice which one? Both. Okay, दोनों करवाएगा कौन? मैं करवाऊंगी. With which one of the following statements is the author least likely to agree? So अच्छा ये main idea देख के ना मैं वैसे ही खुश हो जाती हूँ. I would love to start with this. With which of the following statements is the author least likely to agree? So he will agree. Okay. Agree का मतलब क्या आप सोच रहे हो? True or agree. True or agree. And we are looking for one with which he is not going to agree. Not agree or false. For me, this writing down on my scribbling sheet is very important. मैं भूल जाती हूँ, ये मेरे साथ अक्सर हुआ है. I go back, I look for the options and then I come back and then I forget. ढूंढ क्या रही थी, so कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, I mark the wrong answer. Okay? तो इसलिए now as a rule I write it down, जहां true, false या agree, disagree दिखता है. Then the author mentions each of the following as a mental advantage of alternative belief systems except. Okay? Mental advantage. You need to go and check where the advantages are given. Okay? Probably a para related question. So each, they are there except true, 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 false. Hope this is clear. Each of the following is a valid inference from the passage except true, 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 false. Now, dil goes doob doob because 3 questions out of 4 are true, false, agree, disagree types. Only one is main idea. What am I going to do in this? और ये ऐसा नहीं कि ऐसा नहीं आता है, बहुत आता है. इसमें सबसे पहले तो I'm going to do main idea question and then I'm going to look for one question out of the 3 that has like easier looking options. Okay, पर ये सब बाद की बात है. Now first things first, we need to go back and check the passage and locate the main idea. उसी पे तो question है. ठीक है, चलिए हैंडल कैसे करेंगे इसको? Will I read everything? No, I will not. So if I say skim, skip, scan, how will I do it? Which areas are important in this passage? Which areas can be skimmed? सब बताऊंगी. धैर्य रखो, जिसको कहते हैं hold your horses. Many alternative belief systems provide competing narratives for significant societal disruptions, such as economic crisis. अभी एक चीज जान लो भाई बंधु. If you don't know the meaning of narratives, if you don't know the meaning of societal disruptions, if you don't know the meaning of catastrophes or how you subscribe to something, okay, foster a sense, भाई बहुत मुश्किल है कैट देना. छोड़ दो फिर आप, अगर आपको वोकैबुलरी इंप्रूव नहीं करनी है तो. अदरवाइज टेक इट अप एज अ चैलेंज. ये देखो, प्रोफाउंड, aligns with theoretical perspectives. Okay. Extremism, what is extremism? Okay. Ideological commitments क्या होते हैं भाई? What is, अच्छा, radical ideological commitments क्या होता है? ये सब नहीं पता है तो पहला पैराग्राफ तो मतलब मेरे हाथ से ना स्लिप करके निकल गया. मैं क्या ही निकालूंगी मेन आइडिया. So don't get demotivated. Take it up as a challenge and start working on your vocabulary. Okay. कल के मैनेजर हो आप, बाय फ्यूचर मैनेजर, you're aspiring for one of the IMs. इतनी भी अंग्रेजी नहीं आएगी आपको. अंग्रेजी हम चाहे हेट करें, लव करें, बट अंग्रेजी इज देयर एवरीवेयर अक्रॉस द ग्लोब. हाँ, ये अलग बात है कि ठीक है, इफ वी go to such countries like China, Hong Kong and all, तो वहां पे मतलब they hate it when people speak in English. They want you to speak in their language, Cantonese. But ये कुछ countries का है. मतलब you know the importance of English. Okay, so chalo, let's not get distracted and let me not kind of give you one book on the importance of English. I'm just going to take you back to the passage. So many alternative belief systems provide competing narratives for significant societal disruptions such as economic crisis, terrorist attacks, or environmental catastrophes. At least we understand this much, right? ये क्या है? Environmental catastrophes और ये वो करके. Competing narratives. Narratives are what? The way society argues for something. Narrative is kahani, but not exactly fiction. Narrative is narrative is your belief, your ideology, the way you present it. Okay. Significant societal disruptions. What are the examples? Economic crisis, crash, boom. Boom तो ऊपर चला गया. Okay, crash. Terrorist attacks, environmental catastrophes. ये तो बहुत common है. Subscribing to alternative belief systems, therefore, can. So the author is saying alternative belief systems rakho can foster a sense of understanding and control by creating the impression that one is uncovering something genuinely profound. Okay. So alternative is apna narrative, your narrative. Besides that, you should have some other ideology, some other belief system. You can subscribe to that. So do not be in a cocoon. जिसको कहते हैं ना इको चेम्बर्स, डू नॉट बी इन योर इको चेम्बर्स, जो आपको सोशल मीडिया करके देता है. आई बिलीव इन समथिंग, सोशल मीडिया reinforces it. So I'm never able to subscribe to alternative belief systems. Okay, controlled by this. Okay, this logic aligns with theoretical perspectives on related phenomena. For instance, extremism research emphasizes that radical ideological commitments fulfill a need. Okay, individuals therefore are more prone to embrace extremism. Okay, betrayal, degradation. Similarly, alternative beliefs are correlated with perceiving oneself as exceptional and remarkable and can contribute to people's. Okay, now I'll pause here. The first para is very dense. For people who don't have good vocabulary, this is going to be like Greek and Latin. But there is a way that you can handle it with a little bit of vocabulary. बिल्कुल नहीं है तो फिर मैं गाइड नहीं कर सकती हूँ. So, alternative belief systems provide competing narratives. Competing means what? Let's say there is an earthquake. Why did that earthquake happen? Did it happen because of natural forces? Did it happen because of some butterfly effect? Maybe a lot of urbanization happening in this area and the ground becomes weak. Did it happen because of weak governmental policies? So, competing narratives. I come up with one narrative, one aspect, one perspective on that. Somebody else comes up with something else, right? So, it can include economic crisis, terrorist attacks, or environmental catastrophes. Now, so if you subscribe to alternative beliefs, let's say there is Rahul. I subscribe to his belief. Okay, besides keeping my belief intact, what happens? A sense of understanding and control and all, okay, this comes profound. Now, if you understand till here, you can skim a little bit of this portion. How? You can skim that portion over here because here they're going to explain what this logic does. You get it? This logic aligns with this. So this logic does what? Skim a little bit. But please do not leave these two lines. The last two lines and the first two lines of the first para are very important. The main idea is likely to be here or here. Okay. So then here he says individuals therefore. इसको मैं ध्यान से पढ़ूंगी. अब इस पे दिमाग लगा के टाइम वेस्ट करने के बदले come here. We read this, now we are going here. बीच का देख लिया हमने words क्या है. The logic aligns with something. Extremism. Example. Individuals therefore are more prone to embrace extremism following experiences of profound disappointment. They become extreme. They become extremists, fundamentalists, right? कुछ तो नुकसान हो जाता है. Betrayal, degradation. Similarly, alternative beliefs are correlated with perceiving oneself as exceptional and remarkable and can contribute favorably to people's self-image. It makes you feel alternative beliefs are there. Okay, so their belief is inferior to mine. Okay, you generally get this. Let's say you do not understand much from the para. At least I'm telling you, you can just pick a few keywords. How? Okay, economic crisis, terrorist, alternative belief systems. Then these examples, I would pick these. Subscribing to this. यहाँ तक genuinely profound, that's a positive word. Okay, that one is uncovering something genuinely profound. Then this logic, something more prone to embrace extremism, prone to embracing होना चाहिए, more prone to embracing extremism, or profound disappointment, something self-image. Now I understand that in this paragraph there is something positive that is mentioned, there is something negative that is mentioned. Okay, so alternative belief system probably has both the sides. देखेंगे इसको बाद में. It must be clarified, however, so there is some change of tone, that these ego related advantages, okay, so here he is connecting, he's talking about self-image that is connected with ego. You see how I'm mapping the paragraphs, mapping the passage, connecting the paragraphs. So ego related advantages do not necessarily involve sustaining a healthy self-image. Oh, acha, okay. So this is not always healthy. Clear. Now I'm not reading the rest of the para. You have to take that fear out of you that if I leave these remaining lines, I'm going to miss something important. What important? The important part is the first line, the first two lines. They do not give a healthy self-image. Now I'm just going to skim like this, vertical reading. Alternative okay, unstable okay, alternative volatility, ये सब meanings पता है, more powerfully okay, linked with exaggerated, okay, exaggerated, got it. Same thing, पूरे पैरा में एक ही बात बोला है. Ego related advantages lead to unstable and unhealthy, inflated, exaggerated, volatile, ये सब words दिया हुआ है ना. Okay, elevated self absorption. Done. Next. An additional mechanism through which alternative belief systems foster understanding and control, additional mechanism, is by constructing a parallel reality that is thrilling, captivating, and dramatic. Alternative belief systems characteristically depict a classical confrontation between what is right and wrong and corruption and introduce intrigue. Okay. Now, this para is talking about how we try to, we feel that it is thrilling because we compare ours with others. And we say, अरे confrontation, मेरा वाला तो right है, दूसरा वाला उसका तो corrupt है. Intrigue about this, and then I do vertical reading. Public figures, government officials, okay, cinema, fine, all right, revolve around this. बीच बीच में कहीं कहीं पे पढ़ लो. Embracing alternative beliefs transforms followers into good or bad. Engaged participants in such dramatic narratives and permits them okay to solve a puzzle. Thus provides amusement. Same thing that connects with the first line. Okay, I'm skimming. Observe, however, that numerous widespread sources of amusement are prone to amplifying fear. अच्छा, ज्यादा करोगे तो ये होगा. Right? Individuals frequently do not reject okay. Individuals are attracted to experience okay, encompass. नहीं पढ़ रही मैं. Because the bad side is given here, amplifying fear. So this para is about what? Alternative belief system giving you something like a parallel reality which is thrilling, captivating, dramatic, or beach mein in sabka mention hai public figures and something entertainment personalities, theoretical literature, something. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. So engaged participants in such dramatic narratives and permits them similar to amateur investigators to solve a puzzle, vagara vagara. Right? So this happens over here, and then he says in the end, experiences to deliver. So something is wrong, something negative side he says. Okay, and this is about additional mechanism and entertainment. ये समझ में आ गया. So far I understand he has been talking about alternative belief system. उसका कुछ negative हो रहा है, ऐसा करोगे तो ऐसा होगा, ऐसा करोगे तो ऐसा होगा. Got it? So two clarifications of these assertions are necessary. These assertions, we have made some assertions first, and then there is second. The outline mechanisms, mentally advantageous only temporarily. Building a parallel reality, okay, something, छोड़ दो उसको. क्यों? Probably mentally advantageous. Just take the keywords. क्यों? क्योंकि आपको पता है true false questions हैं 3. Second, the present assertions only concentrate on the question of this, okay. How followers, community, this might gain separate matter. I'm going to read these 3 lines. So I know that clarifications are here. अगर question होगा आ जाएंगे. Although alternative beliefs also may possess certain advantages. बहुत clear हो गया end में that alternative beliefs, the author is not totally a fan of alternative beliefs. He says they may possess certain advantages for this, okay, in that they can promote this, okay. Most societal ramifications are probably to be adverse. ज्यादातर तो बुरे ही है. Author का tone बहुत clear है. Got it? ठीक है? So we are done with this. What happens next? After checking this, I'm going to pause and see if I can understand the main idea. पूरे का. So main idea is alternative belief systems. Alternative belief systems, and then like, okay, some bura, some assertion, some bura, some assertion, some bura, and then some clarifications he has mentioned. Right? My main idea is not in the form of a sentence, jo options diye hain. So why do I need to worry? Now I go back to the questions. Abhi, let's start with this. Which one of the following keyword sequences captures the main concerns of the passage? Okay, so competing narratives, hidden agenda, alternative belief. I'm going to keep these eliminated. Don't think this is too direct. This is how cat gives its options. Okay, exactly ऐसे ही pattern होता है many times. So alternative belief, we get this. Alternative belief, fine. Competing narratives, hidden agenda, we are left with these two. Alternative belief, self awareness, amusement, followers advantage. Amusement हमारा बड़ा वाला पैरा है, सेल्फ अवेयरनेस उसके पहले वाला है. Mental advantage, malfeasance, societal ramifications. Societal ramifications are adverse. This is just one line in the end that says भाई आपका गलत मतलब इसका वो निकल रहा है. So here he talks about entertainment, and here he talks about ego related, okay, sustaining this. We have elevated self absorption. So awareness की तरह ये देख लो, comparatively unstable forms of self awareness. You get my point? So we go back to this. Alternative belief, good. Self awareness, second para. Main concerns, important points. Amusement, correct. Followers advantage. Followers advantage is what? ये देखो. Actual circumstances confront followers ultimately. Numerous of the detrimental this, okay. Produce this, okay. Fine, followers. We can prove it, na, कि हाँ, it is there. This is good. Why not this? Societal ramifications is not exactly what he's talking about in the last para. This is there, mentioned in passing, but not the main point. This is good. Mental advantage, we don't get mental advantage, so I'll eliminate this. Malfeasance, mentioned, but somewhere like, as a passing thing, not exactly like the crux of every para. So this one is the best one of the lot out of 4. Cool, I hope this is clear. Next one, with which of the following statements is the author least likely to agree? So we are looking for one false. Alternative beliefs can be regarded as a form of immediate satisfaction for individuals. The second para says very clearly, right? So we kind of get into that, what do you call, inflated egos and all. This is true. Followers and civilization may bear consequences for alternative beliefs in the long term. The last line of the paragraph, of the passage. ठीक है, फॉलोअर्स एंड सिविलाइजेशन, सोसाइटल ramifications and followers का पूरा उसमें वो नेगेटिव वो बोला है, how they bear the consequences. You want to go back and check the long term thing here. So although alternative believes certain advantages for civilization, although, so he is not agreeing with that completely, in that they can promote accountability, okay, only for this. देखो malfeasance यहाँ just a passing word. Most are probably adverse, right? And here we building something, while building something, okay, numerous of the detrimental produce adverse real world ramifications for themselves and society. Only concentrate on the question of how they gain from alternative beliefs. How this broadly might gain from this is a separate matter, broadly. So long term may it's not going to work out, right? So this is true. Hope this is clear. Acknowledging the mental advantages of alternative beliefs does not imply approval. This is what the whole passage is talking about. कि mental advantages आप ले लेते हो अगर alternative beliefs का, ये देखो, in case you have got a doubt. यहाँ second para में होना चाहिए. Okay. Ego related, okay. Alternative protect comparatively stable, okay. Correlate with this, linked with an exaggerated sense of importance, okay. So यहाँ पे and profound disappointment, following experiences of profound disappointment, extremism, right, people's self-image, and can contribute to this, but then this has some downside, he says here. Then here we come across this point, righteousness in something, and then again he says here, however. So whatever the points that he brings, and then he says however, or then he says, ऐसा कुछ और भी उसका वो है, hidden agendas and all. So acknowledging the mental advantages of this does not imply complete approval, right? This is true. We are left with 4. Let's read this. Alternative beliefs prevent making individuals feel like genuine participants that validate their convictions. Alternative beliefs prevent making individuals feel like genuine participants. यही तो गड़बड़ है. You feel as if you are honestly involved in it. You feel as if it is happening. यही बोला है ना, आपको लगता है ऐसा, but actually हो नहीं रहा है. So they prevent making individuals feel like this. This goes against the passage. This is your answer, right? Hope clear. Next one. So the author mentions each of the following as a mental advantage of alternative belief systems, except mental advantage. Okay. So here we have to look for one false. Mental advantage of this, it is a protective mechanism for the awareness of oneself. It helps followers address adverse aspects of self-worth. It builds a different conception of reality that appeals to the follower. This is true. It appeals to the follower, ना? हम तो ये मान लेते हैं कि हाँ ठीक है, this is correct. So, in case you want to go and check, यहाँ पे last para, outline mechanisms are mentally advantageous only temporarily. So mental advantage wala main point is here. देख लेते हैं एक बार. While building a parallel reality may be attractive, as outlined here, a danger is that actual circumstances confront followers ultimately. They come out of the bubble. उनको दिखता है कि अरे ये तो actual circumstance है. Numerous of the detrimental consequences materialize by encouraging decisions that may produce, okay, right, concentrate, okay. So mentally advantageous only temporary. Mental advantages क्या है? Promote this ये वो. So mental advantages are temporary, and then he says they help us think as if we are really involved, attractive as this, but it actually takes us away from the real situation. So mentally advantages कब बोलेंगे उसको? If it shows us that we have a grasp of the situation. बाद में वो हमको पता चलता है ना, the situation is different. Okay, so we go back to this. Okay, appeals to the follower, true. It attracts followers to stimulating emotional reactions. Stimulating दे रखा है बहुत clearly, second paragraph. Emotional, stimulating, it kind of makes us feel that yes, we are doing something good. So attracts, different conception. जो passage में बोला है ये दोनों like support कर रहा है उसको, connected with those in the sense the passage says it gives us a भ्रम, delulu. We are left with 1 and 2. एक उसमें से ट्रू है, एक फॉल्स होना है. It is a protective mechanism for the awareness of oneself. Awareness, right? It helps followers address adverse aspects of self-worth. अब यहां अगर आप followers इसमें चले जाओ, detrimental consequences materialize by encouraging decisions that may produce, ये देखो, adverse real world ramifications. Do you see the point? ये बोला है alternative beliefs materialize by encouraging decisions that may produce. What does he say here? I'll explain in case you are feeling a little doubtful. Numerous of the detrimental consequences of this materialize. Harmful consequences materialize कब? By encouraging decisions that may produce different real world situations. So I thought alternative belief mein I'm doing the right thing. Then actually, like in reality, I see, array, it is different, right? So adverse wale ke liye I am not ready. Adverse real world ramifications ke liye I'm not ready, right? So yahan agar ye keh raha hai, it helps followers address these. No, that is what he's saying in that point. It doesn't help us in addressing the adverse aspects. So this is false. This is your answer. Correct? Now एक ही बच गया हमारा, ठीक है. अभी इसमें भी false है. Now, each of the following is a valid inference from the passage except. अब तो सब कुछ पता ही है passage में क्या कह रहा है. Alternative belief subscribers are prone to holding a skeptical view of the actions of prominent entertainment personalities. ये तो दे रखा है आपको, right? Entertainment वाला. हम skeptical हो जाते हैं. यहाँ बोला है ना ये. Government officials, entertainment personalities introduce intrigue about this suspicious activities of these people. Correct? तो ये है आपका correct. True. Experience of profound degradation may result in individuals adopting extreme positions. Degradation, yes, this is what it says. Profound आपका होता है, like feelings, and then you realize, अरे, this was wrong. May result in individuals adopting extreme positions. He says clearly, na, extremist वाला. exaggerated sense something, fulfill something. Okay. Extremism here, related extremism reaching this experiences a profound disappointment. Similarly, this perceiving oneself as this, they are prone to embracing extremism in this. Okay, connects with this point. So this is true. While followers may gain from alternative beliefs, there is no apparent societal advantage. Last line of the passage. Take this Gyan point. The last two lines of the passage are more often than not a question pocket. एक ना एक option उससे connected रहता ही है. So this is false. Okay. कैसे अभी बता रही हूँ मैं आपको. A sense of self value is not something that one might associate with alternative belief subscribers. Self value is not something that one might associate with beliefs or this self value, a sense of self value. We are left with 3 and 4, right? In case you have a doubt, abhi ruk jao. A sense of self value is not something that we should associate with this, because it's an inflated thing, it's an exaggerated thing. We become self absorbed. So a sense of self value, this is not the right self value that we are getting. How is this false? ये तो आपको लास्ट लाइन में जो दिया है ना, क्लियरली यहां देखो. Although they may possess certain advantages, most are probably to be adverse. क्या बोला है यहाँ? While followers may gain from alternative beliefs, there is no apparent societal advantage. ये देख रहे हो? No apparent societal advantage. So वहां ये बोला है, we may get these advantages, but ये है societal, most societal ramifications है, correct? So most societal ramifications को आप इससे क्यों कनेक्ट कर रहे हो? नो से क्यों कनेक्ट करोगे? So this is definitely false. So ये trap words once in a while cat के options में होते हैं. Most है वहां, यहाँ no है, right? So this was a good one. False. ये आपका sorry number 3. We are done with all. So if you ask me for like moderate difficult या कुछ इसमें, last वाला जैसे था, this was definitely easy. Okay, let me take another color and highlight. Huh? So this was easy because locating that was very easy. Okay, mental advantages. इसमें आपका आंसर है to address adverse aspects of self-worth. This is given in the last para. Okay, so mental advantages आपको पता है कि it's given in the it's being spoken about in the last para, first line of the last para. Mental advantages यहाँ पे दे करके and then you could just locate it. So this was definitely moderate. ये स्किल आपको अप करनी पड़ेगी, right? Least likely to agree, इसमें आपका आंसर था ये. Making individuals feel like genuine participants. This was like heavily based on interpretation, inference. So I would call this, moderate to difficult, because this connects with the overall picture of the passage. ये अगर आप नहीं भी करते तो भी चलता. Main idea. This was like really and truly easy to moderate. एक बार आपको बस मेन आइडिया का वो समझ जाना है. ऑप्शंस कैसे होते हैं, ट्रैप्स कैसे होते हैं, वो एलिमिनेट कैसे कर रहे हैं हम इसमें, which are the unimportant words. जैसे ये इसमें ना malfeasance आपका दिया हुआ था, कहाँ गया ये malfeasance, one word mentioned in the last para, something as he just mentioned, that is not important to be the main idea. So this was good. Hope all the explanations are clear and hope you have understood the process of elimination and all. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you again.